Sometimes when people make an ad, their ad can be disapproved. Often there's a variety of reasons for this. Particularly when someone's making their initial ad, it could be something as simple as too many exclamation marks, excessive punctuation, inappropriate content, copyrighted content. But the one that I see most would have to be that the URL isn't working, or so the landing page has an error on it. This is a common disapproval reason, very easy to fix. Just fix the landing page and resubmit the campaign for review. So most of the time, when you use a Google specialist, they'll know these best practices so that you rarely get these happening. So, as I said, most of the time when I do see an ad disapproved, it's because the website has gone down over the weekend and Google disapproves the ad so that you don't waste money on ads that are going to error pages.